Very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Today we discuss about rational number, class 8 RS Agarwal book, exercise 1C. Okay. Now question number 4. Verify the following. It means we can prove LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. By addition or subtraction. First of all, we solve this portion. Taking LCM of 4 and 5, LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Now 4 5 ja 20 and 5 3 ja 15. Plus into minus is equal to minus, and now 5 4 ja 20. Then 4 2 ja 8. Okay. Now plus into minus is equal to minus. Now you can write 7 by 10. In right side 3 by 4 plus you can take LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. Now 5 2 ja 10. 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Now 10 1 ja 10. Then 1 into minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Now you can add it. Minus 4 in minus 7 is equal to minus 11 by 10, and this is 3 by 4, and this is 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 by 20, and this is 7 by 10. You can solve again. Taking LCM of 20 and 10 is equal to 20. Now 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1, and 1 into 7 is equal to 7, minus, when we divide 20 by 10 then gives 2, then 2 into 7 is equal to 14, and this is 3 by 4 plus minus minus 11 by 10. Then taking LCM of 4 and 10, LCM of 4 and 10 is equal to 20. Now 4 5 ja 20, 5 3 ja 15, minus 10 2 ja 20, and 2 11 ja 22. Now 15 minus 22 is equal to minus 7 by 20. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6 say that find out additive inverse of 1 by 3. Additive inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3, because target of additive inverse to get 0. Target of additive inverse to get 0. So additive inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3. What is additive inverse of 2? That is minus 2. What is additive inverse of minus 5? That is 5. Okay. Now question number 8. Using rearrangement property, find the sum. Rearrangement property means commutative property, associative property, distributive property. These properties are discussed earlier. Okay. Now first of all, 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. First of all, जिन नंबरों का डिनोमिनेटर एक समान है उनको एक पास लाते हैं, बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर में एलसीएम लेने में हमें आसानी हो, और इनका डिनोमिनेटर एक समान है इसलिए इन दोनों को एक साथ लाएंगे. ओके. Now taking LCM of 3 and 3 is equal to 3, then 4 minus 2, and plus taking LCM of 5 and 5 is equal to 5, then 3 minus 11, that is minus 8 by 5, and this is minus 2 by 3, then added it and get minus 34 by 15. Okay. By using and you can write here by using commutative law. Commutative law क्या कहता है कि नंबर्स को ऐड और मल्टीप्लाई हम किसी भी क्रम में कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमने नंबर को इधर उधर किया है. कम्यूटेटिव लॉ इसका परमिशन देता है कि आप नंबर्स को इधर उधर करके आप जोड़ सकते हो. तो हमने देखिए 3 को इसके साथ ले गए और इसको इसके साथ लाए, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. नंबर्स को इधर उधर अरेंज करके ऐड करना. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 are